Unscrew bolts holding a side cover of your computer. Remove it. If your graphic card has a screw here, unscrew it. This bolt holds the graphic card in place. In my case, there is no bolt, so I don't have to worry about it. If your graphic card has a holder like this, press and hold it, then gently pull the card out. When you're putting the card back, even up the cutout in the graphics card with a socket in your motherboard. Make sure you're putting the card correctly, and only then, gently push the card into your PC. If your graphic card was tightened with a screw, tighten it now. Now put the side cover back on and tighten the screws. Please comment and subscribe to this channel.